Hi guys, welcome to Servlet Tutorial. Now we will learn Servlet Chaining, or it is also called as Servlet Collaboration. What is Servlet Chaining, or what is Servlet Collaboration, or how to perform Servlet to Servlet communication? It is also called as Servlet to Servlet communication. Okay, so the concept taking the request from client, or you can call browser window, and processing that request by using multiple servlet programs that are there in a chaining is called as servlet chaining. I'm repeating once again. Taking request from client, or you can call browser window, and processing that request by using multiple servlet program that are there in a communication, or that are in a connection, or whose servlets are joined or linked with each other, joined or linked or connected with each other is called as servlet chaining. So let me give the notes on this point. Taking request from client, or you can call browser window, and processing that request by using multiple servlet programs that are there in connected mode, or in chaining is called as servlet chaining. Okay. Taking the request from client, or you can call browser window, and processing that request by using multiple servlet programs that are in connected mode or chaining is called as servlet chaining. In servlet chaining, we keep multiple servlet program in communication to process the request coming from client. In servlet chaining, we keep multiple request. Instead of calling multiple request, multiple servlet, we keep multiple servlet programs in communication to process the request coming from clients. So let me show you the pictorial description about servlet chaining. Okay, so here is the servlet chaining, servlet collaboration, or also called as servlet to servlet communication. Assume this is my browser window. This is the browser window. Okay, and I do have multiple servlets. This is servlet 1, next servlet 2, servlet 3, and like this I do have n number of servlets. Okay boss, let me give the names to those servlet. This is my servlet 1 or servlet program 1. This is my servlet program 2, program 2, and this is my servlet program 3, program 3, and like this you do have n number of servlets. Okay, servlet program n. Okay. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me bring them down. Okay, boss. So, what is my intention? The request coming from browser window. When the user enters here, like 192.168 or something, some URL, guys, no matter, 168 or something like 1.0 colon 0 colon some port number 3030 slash something w app web app slash login dot or some login request. Okay, fine. When the user enters this request from browser window, this request must be processed by multiple servlet. Okay, so let me have some different color. Fine, boss. Now this servlet 1 as a request 1, next again request is going to servlet 2, request again transfer to servlet 3, like this n number of requests. Let me add some dots here for your understanding. Okay, and let me use this symbol as arrow symbol because I am forwarding the request from servlet 1 to nth servlet. Okay, as a request object and a response object. Request object and response object. Let me add here request object and keep here response object. Fine. Here also I do need request object and response object. Request object, response object. Here also for the servlet also n servlet, request object and response object. Let me add the information here, but I need to change the color. Request object, okay, boss. Request object and response object. Fine. So here also let me keep. Here also let me keep. Here also we can keep request object and response object. Okay, boss. And here response object. Here is response object. Here is response object obj, and here is one more response object. Okay, boss. Fine. Now they all are in communication now. Let me give the names. This is my request. Okay. Now these all are chaining. Let me drag down somewhat for better visibility. This is chaining. This is also chaining. This is also chaining. Okay. Okay, boss. Now finally the response goes back to again request. Then can send request has been processed. Response sent to request with response sent to solid program 2. Again solid program 2 sends request comma response object to solid program 3. Again all solid programs of solid chaining will have same request and same response object. Same request and same response object. So the request data coming to servlet 1, request data coming to servlet 1, that may be login credentials like a username and passwords, is visible and accessible in all the servlets programs of that chaining. In all the solid programs of that chaining. Okay, boss. Let me send the response back again. So again I need to create one more here, and let me add some dotted lines for your understanding purpose. Again I need to give this response back to servlet 2, from servlet 3 to servlet 2, okay, and servlet 2 to servlet, from servlet 2 to servlet 1. Okay, boss. And final response goes back to browser window. Okay, fine. So these are the responses. Let me give the label. Let me use the label here. Response. This is also response. And finally this is response. Okay, means here what happens, all the solid programs of a solid chaining, all the solid programs of a solid chaining will be using same request data, will be using same request and response object, so that the request data coming to solid program 1, the request data coming to solid program 1 is visible and accessible in all other solid program of that chaining, Okay, boss, fine. Let me save over here. Go to solid program, 35 days solid chaining, and this is my solid chaining. Okay, fine. So let me add one more point. All solid programs of solid chaining will be using same request and response objects. So request data coming to solid program 1 is visible and accessible in all other servlet programs of that solid chaining, or you can call collaboration. Okay, boss. Now let us see what are the different types of servlet chaining. or collaboration. Servlet chaining or collaboration. Different types of chaining or collaboration. So how to perform following are two modes that we can perform servlet chaining or collaboration. Okay, boss. What are the two modes? One is forwarding request mode and one is including request mode of servlet chaining. Forwarding request mode and including request mode of chaining. Okay, boss.